What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Battlefront error code 721 failed to connect on your EA server and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into a step. So the first and foremost step, you have to close any overlay or any softwares that already installed, like which is causing the issue, like you're having the trouble with overclocking applications like MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner. Every these kind of things should be completely, what I have to say, you have to completely close it or uninstall it, or you can check over here in the task manager. Just go over here and click on the task manager, and right now you have to expand this, and if you find anything like Riva Tuner, MSI Afterburner, Discord, everything should be removed from here, and afterwards you have to check. Next one is all about, you have to get into a particular site called Nexus Mods, which is actually to downloading the mods. So I'll be providing in the description. So over here, as you can see, I have already launched it. I have already signed it into this. When you click on this particular link, which I'll be giving in the video description, that's going to take you to this particular page over here. So to this is, and if you wanted to download it, it is going to ask you to register. So you have to register this. Okay, once you register on this one, what happens is, once you register, that will take you to this. And from here, the first one, this will be like this. Now we have to move to files. Once afterwards, you have to download the file from here. I'll be showing you an example. Let me go over here. I just found this from this particular video. So that's going to take you to this. Now go to files, and there is an option to download it. So just download this respective mode. Okay, that's an important one. You have to download it. After it's successfully downloaded, you have to go over here. You'll be able to find this particular file here. So you have to extract. You can just copy or get into this and copy this particular mode over here. Copy this. Afterwards, you have to close this. Now go to the Steam, right click over here and go to manage and click on the browse local file. So you'll be understood where the game is installed. So now what we need to do is, we just need to copy paste what you just copied right now. You have to paste this particular mode and you have to check, or you can just delete it over here like this. Let me go over here and delete it. Let me create a folder named modes. That's an important one. So I'm going to create a folder named modes. Okay, to this I'm going to paste this application. So I have copied and pasted it, and now we need to launch the game, and you will not be having the trouble with Star Wars error code 721. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.